Hello everyone, today I will show you how to repair a mirrored touchscreen at a Mekede radio. Maybe it will work on other Android models. So let me show you. The issue here was, I already fixed it, but it took me like a few hours and the support from Mekede is not really working, so I decided to find it on my own, and I found some videos on the internet, not specifically for Mekede, but it worked, so I will show you. Let me show you. If you want to calibrate it, there are some options in the settings, but those didn't work. So you just take your hand, it doesn't work like that, sorry, go to the menu, and all 5 fingers need to be on touch panel. Now you are in calibration. Now just press every point. Now you've got it done. And now just reboot the radio. And now the touch will be working again. If you have not working touch at all, you probably need to replace the touch panel. But if there are some issues like it's mirrored, or you click here and it appears here, you need to calibrate it like this. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I hope I helped you and have a great day.